Deadpool is cursed with living forever, so to undo it, he makes a deal with the devil Mephisto. If Deadpool kills his own daughter, Ellie, so as per the contract, it can end his life. But he loves his daughter. To protect her, he once erased his own memory. But Ellie has become old. She is 97 now, and soon she will die. So the only way to protect her is to kill Deadpool's lover, Death. He cannot be able to exist in a world without his daughter. Deadpool almost succeeds, killing Death. But right at that time, Deadpool is confronted by a robotic version of himself. The two then fight, and inside that robotic armor is Ellie. Wade tries to convince his daughter that he is doing this for her. She can only survive if he kills Death. But then Ellie stops the fight. She comes out of that robot and tells her that he is doing this for himself because he is not strong enough to watch his daughter die of old age. Deadpool then hugs his daughter. He begins to cry. He tells her she is so good. It is not fair. He doesn't want to exist in this stupid world without his girl. But then, Ellie reveals the object that can end their lives, a neutrino bomb, tethered to a micro-black hole by Mobius chain. This bomb will destroy them before their brains even register the light of the blast. Then the black hole would swallow the explosion and collapse in on itself. So there would be nothing left of Deadpool to regenerate. So both Ellie and her father Deadpool die together. Deadpool may be dead, but he is not gone. He wakes up in the afterlife and finally unites with his true love, Death. And now he has become the new king of hell, and he also gained control of Mephisto's soul. As Wade explains, Ellie knew if she didn't kill her father, he was going to kill Death. So as he left Ellie with no choice, Deadpool forced Ellie's hand. So while Ellie was the gun, Deadpool pulled the trigger, and technically it allows Deadpool to kill his daughter and himself at the same time. And as per the contract, Deadpool gains control over Mephisto's soul. This is the happiest ending of Deadpool. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.